Hello, what's up? I am here in Barangay Sacaon. So, this town is now facing in problem such water supply. One of the reason why people could go outside to get some water for their daily living. So, even we're here in the outside, still following the safety protocols such wearing masks, especially when you are in the crowded places or encountering other people. Then of course, physical distancing, it is very important. And lastly, avoid crowded places. So why don't wear masks? Because we are here in the forest. Then the nature is taking his giving us beautiful air. So I want to feel the freshness that gift from the nature. So here in the eastern part of the town where a body of water found called Takasan Spring. I have no historical facts or information why it's called Takasan, but my guess, maybe it's taken from the root word takas, in English, run away or escape. My first time that I got here when I was elementary, since it was near where my elementary school were located up there. I can say that Takasan is very different today. Why? Because in the past, the water is more abundant than today. And the water is very clean because it is free to flow. And today, sadly to say, it was lots of dirty part because it was stagnant and the flowing water was being minimized, and the place was covered by trees. And now, as you see, the trees was cut down and being clean. So look, the sunlight is here in the inside. A citizen of this town and loving or capturing nature, because I love photography with the content of nature. I want to give feedback, even just a little action, feedback to the nature by picking up the plastic here. So let's start here. Please, we should be responsible in our action, because every action that we do or we take, there is equivalent consequence. So that, and did you know that plastic is it's hard to dissolve? It takes more than a million years or 1,000 years, but siguro I forgot the maximum of existing of the plastic, but maybe it takes 100 years to dispose. So mamatay na lang taanin dyan lang yung mga plastic. So asa mga future generation, as you see the movie Wall-E, look at the people where the world is full of plastic and the people is making their own world and regret. So that movie, you see that Wall-E and that the main character was doing something to revive their planet so that the people on that spaceship can go back to their Earth and can experience how beautiful the life on Earth. So before we go on that point, as a citizen, we must responsible in our actions. So lagyan na. Oh my god. As you see, I see kanang yung dahon. Kanang half of the sack of plastic na nakolekta namin. We collected. And if you think why I'm speaking English, because kanang I'm hoping that I have international audience so that I can also kanang encourage and kanang spread this message to the other youth in different countries. Yes, challenge is done. So, mission accomplished. May kasabihan niya tayo na there is no thing is constant, but it doesn't mean that it changes into something worse or not good. If we have the power, we users have the power to maintain and enhance the beauty of our nature, because the future is in our hand. And to all people around the world, that we should not forget our responsibilities and duties to be a caretaker and protector to our Mother Earth and the Mother Nature. So, I am EJ Barreto. Love the nature.